Hi there, students. A waffle. To waffle. Okay, a waffle, it's like a flat, honeycombed, crossed cake made from batter, made with a waffle iron. It's normally that sort of thickness and very tasty. Then we have different meanings. As a verb, to waffle in British English means to talk at length without really saying anything, or to write at length, being very vague, very wordy and imprecise. But notice, that's British English. In American English, to waffle means not to be able to make up your mind, not to be able to decide between one thing and another. But that's American, and I would never use that meaning. To me, to waffle means to talk on and on, or to write on and on, but being imprecise, not being clear, not really saying anything. So the student didn't really understand the topic of the essay and waffled for 2 pages. The teacher gave a really long explanation. It was boring and he didn't really define it very well. Most of the time he was just waffling. Or maybe 2 housewives chatting or prattling, yeah, talking and talking but without anything. Rabbiting on. To rabbit, Cockney slang, rabbit and pork, talk. Okay, so to waffle, to be wordy, to be vague. It's very common to use the preposition on. He waffled on and on. And this on just gives an idea of a long time. He waffled on at length. Okay, so be careful with the difference between the British meaning and the American meaning. The American meaning, not to be able to make up your mind. He waffled over whether to buy the blue one or the red one. He waffled about whether to use the big one or the small one. Okay, but remember that's American, and I as a Brit would not use that. Okay, to me a waffle is either this yummy cake, it's sort of a cake, or to talk on and on. So I've probably already started waffling. So your next question, what about formality? Well, the cake to eat is neutral formality, informal, formal, use it anywhere. Whereas the verb to waffle on, to talk and talk and talk, just like I'm doing now, this is informal. I'd probably give this maybe a 4 out of 10 informality. It's probably slang. Yeah, I think in something semi-formal or very formal, I wouldn't use to waffle. To talk at length, to talk vaguely, to be wordy without saying anything. Okay? And, okay, notice as well, to waffle is a regular verb. He waffled for hours and hours about his favourite subject, himself. Okay, so waffle. A cake, or to talk at length without saying anything in British English, or to be unable to make up your mind in American English. The origin of this word is probably from Older English or Northern English. A waff, a puff of air, a blast of air. Waft, as well. And I think that's where waffle comes from. Maybe the cake is light and airy, and the person who's speaking is just full of hot air. So, to waffle, I'm going to stop waffling. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Waffle.